Growing your business into new regions is an exciting step, but it often comes with massive blind spots. Right now, finding reliable location data across Indonesia takes weeks of manual research. Businesses spend a lot of money on teams to perform manual surveys over 2 to 3 months. Even then, just staring at a map doesn't guarantee your next location will be profitable. We believe data should be universally accessible and useful for your teams. We created Mapmaster.AI to de-risk your market expansion and location finding. Mapmaster gives you instant access to a preloaded location data, enhanced with AI to reduce your research time from months down to just minutes. We designed this to be incredibly simple, so you don't need to hire expensive, specialized engineer teams to make sense of your data. Our platform allows your existing sales and marketing teams to visualize location data on top of your internal business metrics. Utilize our predefined AI-driven analytics to get location recommendations, or build your own criterias on top of it. Find areas with the best match for your customer profiles, reducing the risk of expansion. We help you build a complete picture of your market. We take your internal company data, like sales and CRM records, and layer it with macro trends on population, consumer spending, and area footfall traffic. Finally, we integrate with Google Maps platform to give you the street-level ground truth of your commercial reality. The true power of Mapmaster is how quickly it delivers answers. We've replaced complex SQL queries and coding with conversational analytics. You simply ask questions in plain language and the system answers. This means unprecedented time to value for your leadership team. Instead of waiting weeks for a data report, you receive instant recommendations on exactly where to expand next. Complete with the clear, data-backed business justifications you need to confidently approve a site. By making this information easy to use, Mapmaster.AI delivers real financial impact. Eliminate up to 80% of your location research time. Deliver annual savings up to $90,000 per year on specialized market research teams. Increase localized campaign conversion rates by up to 30%. Most importantly, preventing just one failed branch saves the business a lot of money in sunk costs. Introducing new technology should never feel like a gamble. We use a phased, low-risk approach to embedding this AI into your daily operations. We start with a trial that isolates a specific business problem, using your historical data to prove the AI actually works. Whether you need our quick, ready-to-use cloud platform or a highly secure enterprise deployment behind your own firewall, user training takes hours, not weeks. It is time to turn your legacy data into a massive competitive advantage. Let's map your next success together.